For some time I've been thinking about somehow putting a small toolbox on my 1931 Model A. There's some people that have the make one, or there's some company that makes one that's right here for the splash apron, for example. And I guess you could have one back here, maybe just on the outside. But anyway, so I decided, I came up with an idea. I'm not sure if it's ever been done before, not to my knowledge, but who knows. But anyway, so I got one, just finished it, and also working on a brake spring that was defective on the back passenger rear wheels. That's why I've got the car, one reason I've got it all jacked up. Anyway, I'll show you what I came up with. Mine is hidden. You can't see where the little toolbox is. It's not under the hood and not under the back seat. Not under there. Not inside the seats or whatever. But where it is under the floor. So see if I can do this with one hand or not. Probably not. There it is. And simply raise this up, and there it is. So that's good enough for some basic tools. Quart of oil will fit in there, some rags, whatever. Just some basic stuff that would be rattling around all over in the car if I didn't have something like that. So anyway, it's flat, and that's it. So it fits under that. I could actually do two of them, but I just did one. And this doesn't affect anything underneath the car. It's out of the way of all the drive line. So that's my idea for my toolbox. You can see it underneath a little bit or not, but I'll try here. See sort of where it's located anyway. You see it right there with I've got aluminum angle on it that around the perimeter of it, so you can see the back of it, but to get an idea where it's located, right there. And it's a couple inches away from the exhaust, and maybe an inch or thereabouts from the driveshaft tube, and another member, forgot what it's called, but anyway. So that's my toolbox. You can see it under here or not. A little bit. That's hidden. And so that was about a day project or something like that to make it. So anyway, so no one would ever know, but there it is. Had plenty of room under there to utilize. Okay, that's it.